Who has been appointed as the Secretary of CCI recently? Answer is option C, Inderpal Singh Bindra. Friends, if we understand in detail, Indian Revenue Service Officer Inderpal Singh Bindra has been appointed as the Secretary of the Competition Commission of India. The Competition Commission of India is the main national competition regulator in India. It is a statutory body under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The CCI consists of a chairperson and 6 members who are appointed by the central government. Ajit Doval is the longest serving person in which position? Answer is option A, National Security Advisor. Friends, Ajit Doval was first appointed to this post in the year 2014. His second term started in 2019, which ended in June 5. In this way, Doval is the longest serving National Security Advisor who has been reappointed as Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Answer is option A, Pramod Kumar Mishra. Friends, Pramod Kumar Mishra has been reappointed as Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. His appointment will be effective from 10 June 2024. The order of the Department of Personnel and Training said. With whom has the Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts signed an agreement to promote Indian art and culture? Answer is option D, Sansad TV. Who won the World Junior Girls Chess Championship in 2024? Answer is option B, Divya Deshmukh. Friends, Divya Deshmukh of India won the World Junior Girls Chess Championship on 13 June 2024 at the Gift City Club in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The government of India and blank are negotiating a deal for 26 Rafale maritime jets. Answer is option D, France. Which edition of the Mumbai International Film Festival 2024 began in Mumbai on June 15? Answer is option C, 18th. Friends, if we understand in detail, Mumbai International Film Festival 2024 opened with the India premiere of Billy and Molly, an utter love story directed by Charlie Hamilton James. Mumbai International Film Festival 2024 will continue from June 15, 2024 to June 21, 2024. MIFF 2024 will screen 314 films in 61 languages from 59 countries. It also includes 8 world premieres, 5 international premieres, 18 Asia premieres and 21 India premieres. Which of the following banks has launched SME Digital Business Loan? Answer is option C, State Bank of India. Friends, SBI was established on 1st July 1955. Its current chairman is Dinesh Kumar Khara and it is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Who received the V. Shantaram Lifetime Achievement Award 2024? Answer is option A, Subbiah Nallamuthu. Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary was in the news recently. It is located in which state? Answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. And you know friends, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. And friends, Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary is a wildlife sanctuary situated on the northern boundary of the Mandsaur and Neemaj district in Madhya Pradesh. The Chambal River passes through the sanctuary, dividing it into 2 parts. Who is the National Security Advisor of America? Answer is option D, Jake Sullivan. With which bank has the Ministry of External Affairs signed an MOU for e-migrate? Answer is option C, SBI. Friends, the Ministry of External Affairs and SBI have signed an MOU to provide an additional digital payment service of the bank through its payment gateway SBI ePay to the users of e-migrate portal. The e-migrate portal was launched in the year 2014 and is associated with overseas Indian workers. What is the rank of India in the recently released Environmental Performance Index 2024? Answer is option A, 176. Friends, the Environmental Performance Index for the year 2024 was released, in which India's latest ranking is 176th out of 180 countries. This ranking was prepared by Yale and Columbia Universities. Who is the first bowler to bowl all 4 overs maiden in a T20 World Cup match? Answer is option D, Lockie Ferguson. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of which cooperative bank? Answer is option B, Purvanchal Cooperative Bank. Friends, the Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Gazipur-based Purvanchal Sahkari Bank in Uttar Pradesh as it does not have adequate capital and earning prospects. When do we celebrate International Yoga Day every year? Answer is option D, 21st June. Friends, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the 10th International Yoga Day celebrations in Srinagar on June 21st, 2024. Which became the first South Asian country to recognize gay marriage? Answer is option C, Thailand. Who has become the second fastest bowler to take 100 wickets in T20 International? Answer is option A, Sandeep Lamichhane. Friends, if we understand in detail, Nepal's spinner Sandeep Lamichhane has become the second fastest bowler in the world to take 100 wickets in 100 T20 internationals. Sandeep completed his 100 wickets in 54 T20 international matches. The Union Cabinet approved the Vadhavan Port. In which state will it be built? Answer is option D, Maharashtra. Friends, the government of India has approved the construction of a new major port at Vadhavan, located in Dahanu Taluka of Palghar district in Maharashtra. The project was approved by the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 19 June 2024. Who has been appointed as the pro tem Speaker of Lok Sabha recently? Answer is option B, Bhartrihari Mahtab. Friends, President Draupadi Murmu has appointed BJP MP Bhartrihari Mahtab as the pro tem Speaker for the 18th Lok Sabha seat.